Congress list is finally out. To begin with, Rahul Gandhi to contest from Rai Bareli, where since 2004 Sonia Gandhi has won, and KL Sharma, who's also been a senior leader, he's been associated with the Congress party, has been an election manager with Sonia Gandhi. So he's a close aide of Sonia Gandhi for many years now. And the bigger news, of course, is after the speculation, the suspense over Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and will we see her contest this time? Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is not in the electoral political race this time as well. Rahul Gandhi from Rai Bareli, KL Sharma from Amethi. Abhishek Mishra is joining me from Amethi on this. Abhishek, while we see the enthusiastic cadre in Rai Bareli, they are gearing up. How do you think KL Sharma's candidature will be seen there in Amethi?
Well, Pooja, certainly KL Sharma will contest from Amethi now on the Congress ticket. He is a representative of Sonia Gandhi and has been there locally. And yesterday we spoke to him exclusively, and he was camping in Amethi from past 3 days, looking at the management at the booth level, on the ground level for the Gandhis. But it was never expected, at least by the workers here, that it will be KL Sharma himself. Let's speak to some of the people here. KL Sharma जी लड़ रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे? आपको वही उत्साह है, वही आप तो चाह रहे थे कि राहुल जी आए या प्रियंका आए, अब आप क्या कहेंगे?
अभी तो हमें यही जानकारी है कि राहुल जी या प्रियंका जी यहाँ से चुनाव लड़ेंगे। अभी ये जानकारी नहीं है कि केएल शर्मा जी लड़ेंगे।
तो लिस्ट आउट हो चुकी है, बाकायदा लिस्ट जारी कर दी है एआईसीसी ने, और उसमें केएल शर्मा जी का नाम अमेठी से है। इसका फर्क आप देख रहे हैं?
थोड़ा बहुत तो फर्क रहता ही है। बहरहाल केशोरीलाल शर्मा लगभग यहाँ 25 सालों से चुनाव प्रबंधन का कार्य देख रहे हैं, और राजीव गांधी जी के समय में भी उन्होंने कार्य देखा। सोनिया जी को चुनाव लड़ाया, राहुल जी को 2 चुनाव लड़ाया, और अच्छा
सेंटिमेंट लेकिन आपका था कि राहुल जी आए?
बिल्कुल, पूरे अमेठी की पूरे आम जनमानस का था कि गांधी परिवार से ही कोई लड़े।
तो लड़ाई आपको लगता है क्या और आसान हो गई या मुश्किल हो जाएगी? क्या लग रहा है स्मृति ईरानी के खिलाफ?
देखिए, आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी, उनकी कर्मभूमि है अमेठी, और पूजनीय राजीव गांधी जी कर्मभूमि रही है, उनकी परंपरागत सीट रही है, और उनका घर है, उनकी कर्मभूमि है। ये उनका विषय है कौन चुनाव लड़े कौन नहीं लड़ेगा, लेकिन हर एक
जनता का नाम सामने आ रहा है।
अमेठी मांगे राहुल गांधी, अमेठी मांगे राहुल गांधी, उनकी हर एक पहचान है। अंतिम समय राहुल जी करेंगे, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है।
अंतिम समय करेंगे, अभी भी संभावना है?
बिल्कुल, 10 बजे उतर रहे हैं, और राष्ट्रीय उड़ान अकेडमी सब लोग आ रहे हैं, पूरा परिवार आ रहा है, जुलूस होगा, नामांकन जुलूस निकलेगा।
आप क्या कहेंगे?
Yes, is still hopeful that it will be Rahul Gandhi. They're not very sure on what to say on KL Sharma. Yes, Abhishek, go ahead.
Yeah, so as I was telling, now the picture is completely changed. Those workers who was very vocal by yesterday, chanting Rahul Gandhi, sloganeering, the preparations were also made. I'll show you, ask my camera person Rohit Khan to show you. This is the truck, this is the Rath which was supposed to be used. Although the branding, although the face of Rahul is there, Akhilesh is there, but the candidate has changed now. KL Sharma is going to file that nomination. And indeed, I've spoken to some others as well, and they are also still, I don't know why, but still expecting that, he will come. And that is what also, we were expecting. The kind of, sentiment was there yesterday itself. But now the picture is clear. KL Sharma will be contesting from here. We are expecting him to arrive in a short while, and we'll try and speak to him and understand that what is actually has gone through in that decision and what he has to say. But yes, Amethi was expecting Rahul Gandhi, to be honest. But anyway, they're saying that KL Sharma indeed is part of the family in a way.
We see the difference, the followers, the supporters in Amethi are still coming to terms because they still feel it's going to be Rahul Gandhi. But even if it's KL Sharma, they're trying to put up a brave front because it is to campaign for him against Smriti Irani. So that's the latest that you have. Smriti Irani from the BJP, KL Sharma from the Congress party, and specifically basically the India Alliance, so to say. Now, Kishori Lal Sharma, who is he? Originally from Punjab, but he has been associated with Rajiv Gandhi for a very long time, and I can tell you since 1980s, 1983, Rai Bareli Amethi, and I'll go across to our colleagues also for that, has been associated with the Congress party. He's been a close aide of Rajiv Gandhi once, and after his demise to Sonia Gandhi and other senior leadership. So he's clearly close to the Gandhi family. But when Rahul Gandhi, who has been as an MP from Amethi, then has fought against Smriti Irani, and it was expected that he'll contest again, he is not going to be the face right now. It is going to be the man on your screens, KL Sharma, to fight from Amethi. So long association with the Gandhi family, and it's a big constituency. Remember, this is a prestige battle for as much for KL Sharma. He's managed elections for Rajiv Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, other leaders as well. But what can he do for himself this time to be able to win, and against Smriti Irani, who's been able to get a confidence boost for herself that she has made inroads into the Gandhi bastion. So you're looking at now the incumbent candidate, the one who's going to fight in Amethi, the one who has fought all these years and has switched to Rai Bareli. So Rai Bareli gets interesting, the supporters on the ground enthusiastic, but in Amethi not so much. They are still picking on what to say precisely. Now they start campaigning for KL Sharma, the nomination for which is in just the next few hours. Abhishek Mishra continues to be in Amethi. Abhishek, for the viewers who may not know much about the political circles, tell us about Kishori Lal Sharma, close to Gandhi family, not as much of face for the public.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. He belongs to Punjab, has always been there for the Gandhi family. Specifically Sonia Gandhi, because she was a member of parliament from Rai Bareli. Because of her health issues and other factors, she was not very, active in terms of physically being there in Rai Bareli. So KL Sharma used to be that person who used to manage everything. He has always maintained a kind of a bridge between the cadre and the voters here to Sonia Gandhi. Yes, in a way, it is like Congress believes it's a better option, it's a safer option. Also looking into the consideration, if Priyanka is not keen, if she's not ready to contest, who better else then? In the particular order, it's only and only KL Sharma who can fill in that shoe. Because, as I said, he has been very active in this region, specifically Rai Bareli and Amethi.
Abhishek, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that, because people may not realize that he's not a big face, not as Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi or Smriti Irani for the BJP, but he knows the ground well of both Amethi and Rai Bareli, because in the absence of Sonia Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi, he's constantly been visiting Amethi and Rai Bareli. So he understands the ground connect and ground sentiment. Will they want to vote for him as an MP? That the voter will decide. So Abhishek, do tell us that he definitely knows the pulse on the ground.
Well, yes, and certainly, that is what the Congress party believes. I think if KL Sharma is there, it's not a, bad decision. It's indeed going to work in their favor. He knows the lacking of Smriti Irani. He knows what has gone through in past 5 years as far as, the mindsets of the voter is concerned. He's very much aware of his block level and the booth level management, which is primarily a USP of any election. And he knows the pulse, and that is why I think this decision has been taken. Priyanka, who was apprehensive earlier already, she said she wants to campaign, and this is what the list is also, showing that Priyanka certainly is coming. We have got the information, and she will be, I think, a part of the nomination for Rahul Gandhi, and also likely to visit her, because the cadre here was very much excited. I'll show you the visuals and try to tell you the picture. Look at the premises here. All the workers who were very much keen by yesterday. It's not that engaging as of now, but still some of them are saying that we still expect him to take that decision, because it has been said that Rahul's nomination papers were prepared for both the seats, and also for Priyanka. But since the name is out, we have also spoken to them, and they are saying that let's see what happens. But there is one thing is very clear, that Gandhi sentiment certainly be very much evident if it would have been Rahul or Priyanka. But yes, with KL Sharma as well, the Congress find this a best suitable option, because locally none other than KL Sharma could possibly carry this election in such a way where at least they will be able to give a fight. As I said,
but even then, Abhishek, he may be traveling on the ground. He may understand the ground sentiment. He knows how elections are organized. He's done it for Rajiv Gandhi and for Sonia Gandhi. But to fight it for yourself as a face, will they still need a Gandhi face like Rahul or Priyanka to help campaign for him with the other India bloc leaders as well? So that's KL Sharma on your screen. He's been announced as the Amethi candidate, one of the strongest bastions for years, since 1967, when Amethi became that big constituency. It has been represented by Sanjay Gandhi later in 1970s. Then Rajiv Gandhi has been represented by Sonia Gandhi, and of course by Rahul Gandhi until recently. And now it's going to be the chance for KL Sharma. So that's Amethi for you. That's the decision has been taken. KL Sharma versus Smriti Irani. And then comes in, of course, Rai Bareli, where the decision has been to field Rahul Gandhi from that seat. seat. We are playing visuals from the Congress office now because unlike Amethi, for now, before they come to terms that it's not a Gandhi family member, it's Kishori Lal Sharma, it's the Gandhi family loyalist, stalwart who understands the family and the ground. But in Rai Bareli, we are told from the Congress office, roses have been brought in. There are decorations and celebrations that have started, and we'll go across in just a short while to that. But while BJP has declared Dinesh Pratap Singh, remember BJP also waited for a while. They wanted to know who the Congress is going to contest. Finally, Dinesh Pratap Singh's name was announced yesterday, and then this morning, the suspense ends, and it is Rahul Gandhi to fill in the shoes of Sonia Gandhi, who's represented the constituency since 2004. And now, about 20 years later, the son takes over, likely a safer seat compared to Amethi, which is going to be a big election fight. But has Rahul Gandhi decided that it is unlike expectations? He was expected to take on the big fight in Amethi. Priyanka Gandhi fill in shoes from Rai Bareli. That was on the expected lines. But Congress, for some reason, has done a political calculation where they feel it's better for Rahul Gandhi in Rai Bareli and KL Sharma for Amethi.